Hi, I am Pieter Cornelis. I am one of the directors of TOPSOLID Belgium.
Hello, I am Kurt Neukermans, also director of TOPSOLID Belgium.
We started as a distributor of TOPSOLID in 2003 under the name of 4D Services. At that time it was only Luke, the owner, and myself.
I joined the company in 2013 as an employee, and it was clear that Peter and I were a very good match. So in 2016 we decided to purchase the company. In the beginning of 2020 we became a subsidiary of TOPSOLID SAS.
At that moment we were 5 people and we achieved a turnover of about 1 million euros. We had about 120 clients under maintenance.
At the time we only distributed TOPSOLID solutions, so it was logical to strengthen our link with the TOPSOLID group. With a stronger link we were able to deliver more products and provide better services to our customers. It's also reassuring for our colleagues to work at a company belonging to an international group. So securing the future was an important point in the decision making.
Yes, and it was also very important for us to maintain the way in which we worked like before becoming a subsidiary. So of course over the many years we had built an outstanding relationship with TOPSOLID management team and everybody working there. They assured us that they would respect our autonomy once we became a subsidiary. And time has proven that we were absolutely right.
We wanted to stay entrepreneurs and keep a part of the shares of the company. This is something that is not common in France, but it once again shows the flexibility of TOPSOLID Group.
Well, we have a better support from the TOPSOLID Group. There is a stronger link, and also our confidence has grown during those past 2 years.
With the extra support, we were able to achieve the goals we had set before becoming a subsidiary, twice as fast. We have a monthly meeting with the director of the subsidiaries in which we discuss all kinds of subjects like sales deals, recruitment, investments, marketing, and so on.
We are no longer alone in the decision making. We can benefit from the support and experience of the management team of the group.
We have strengthened our sales, technical and marketing teams, and we also invested in an additional training room. And we doubled the staff to 10 people. We achieved a turnover of 1.6 million euros in 2021, with 250 companies now under a maintenance contract, which is a 60% growth compared to 2019.
Yeah, and we try to be a real partner for our customers with a high level of expertise in the TOPSOLID suite and of course also a good knowledge of their business.
We were and remain true experts in the woodworking industry.
And with the support of the head office and investments we did in the team, we can now also focus on other markets like TOPSOLID steel and mechanical CAM.
We believe that with TOPSOLID integrated digital factory, we will have a range of robust solutions to meet the demands of Industry 4.0 in both metal and woodworking markets.
We want to thank all our customers for the confidence they have in us, because without them, of course, we would not be here. And also a massive thank you to our team, because they are working very hard every day.
Our dreams are intact. We can continue what we did before with satisfied customers that are very close to us. It was the case before, and it will remain so. We want to support our customers' growth and grow with them at the same time.
The best thing is that this is 100% in line with the vision of TOPSOLID. Local and highly skilled teams that have a close relationship to the customers. And we want to thank TOPSOLID for putting their faith in us. And we are sure that everybody, TOPSOLID, our customers and we, will be more successful because of this.